Yeah. Isn't the first dance? This is a rainy, this is a James Dean rain out, windy. Well, there's a hurricane from Florida, so we're getting all the after shits. This is our little tent here. Skanea, Jackson's in there. We're camping out here, hopefully with this fucking power.
And I wanted to go for my birthday.
There better be power, damn it. I'm gonna go look up here. Alright, we're here for James Dean weekend. 2000s era camera. Some of the rides are even gone. What the fuck? Really? Doing a little random footage here for James Dean weekend. We're over here at Mill Street. Look at the ride. I love the zoom. The zoom is great, but the quality is shitty.
Oh my god! It's windy out there.
Hi, Cal. Hi, Linda.
Yeah, hey, how
Hi,
are
Kyla.
you? Hi, Sam. Bye.
Hey, hi. Bye-bye. And then we're going to rock around here again. Quit wasting food.
Yeah, leave it where it's at. Oh, fucking Sam. Look at that Sam.
Fucker.